Right, we're here today to do this very old Derby stone floor. It's very old. It's more than 200 years old, and it's been sealed with lac and all sorts of things. We're here to strip the whole floor and clean it up and take it back to the original colour, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. But you can see it's really bad everywhere. We'll show you the result when it's finished, okay? Right, this is the floor we just restored. That's the difference before and after. Still wet, but it's a lot better than before. That's how it is. A lot different now.